Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2021 Ford F-150. Tools I'll be using for the installation is a 1/4" ratchet, an extension, 7mm socket, 8mm socket, 10mm socket, small flathead, panel popper, and some masking tape. Now let's get started. First step, I'll apply masking tape to avoid any scratches. You could do the same to the other side. Remove 2 7mm bolts, securing the valance. Okay, now we're going to carefully unclip the valance. Okay, now do the same to the other side. Next, you want to carefully unclip the valance by moving it straight back. Open up your hood. Using your panel popper, remove 14 plastic push pins, securing the radiator shroud. Next, remove your radiator shroud. Unplug these 2 connectors. So hold on to it, and then with your small flathead, reach in, carefully press on the tab, and pull it straight up to disconnect. This one, just press on the tab, unplug it, and then using your panel popper, go ahead and disconnect the harness from the grille. And next, remove this push pin here. There's one on each side. Now remove 4 10mm bolts, securing the grille. Next step, remove 2 8mm bolts. One is securing the bottom tab of the headlight, and one is securing the bottom of the grille. Next, unclip the grille on each side. Remove 1 10mm nut, securing the bottom tab of the headlight. Remove 2 10mm bolts, securing the tabs of the headlight. Remove 1 push pin, securing the tab of the headlight. Carefully unclip your headlight. And on the back here, this is a guide pin with the insert. Sometimes when you unseat your headlight, the insert comes off with it. So you just have to take it off and put it back in the hole. So from here, we're going to unplug all 3 connectors. So just press on the tab and unplug it. Bring over your new Spyder headlight. Turn it to the back. Go ahead and plug in all 3 connectors. Make sure each one is secure. Now carefully seat your headlight in place. Reinstall the push pin along with the 2 10mm bolts, securing the top of the headlight. And reinstall the 10mm nut, securing the bottom of the headlight. Now repeat the same steps on the driver's side. Reinstall your grille. And reinstall the 4 8mm bolts, 2 on each side, one securing the grille and the other one securing the headlight. Reinstall the valance. Moving to the front passenger side wheel, go ahead and carefully clip your valance back into place. Take your panel popper and slide it underneath the valance to lift it up and over the bracket guide. And reinstall the 2 7mm bolts securing it. Now do the same to the driver's side. Remove the masking tape. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts securing the top of the grille. Reinstall the 2 push pins. Go ahead and plug in the 2 connectors. And clip your harness to the grille. And reinstall the radiator shroud along with the 14 plastic push pins securing it. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.